Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Nawaz and in today's video we are going to talk about comment section. So comment plays one of the important role in a blog. So dealing with comment is one of the important tasks. Most of the audience attract and share their thought area upon the blogs using the comment section. In today's video we are dealing with the comment section. Dealing with the comment sections, first we need to create our models based on the comment. So firstly we will build our models based on the comment section. So without wasting your time, let's begin it. So first we need to create the models for the comment sections. Writing the models, let's write the models for it. Class comment model start model. I have split my screen to create a model based on our comment section. First we need to define the id. I want you to write the code, then we will talk later about it. Id is equal to model start autofilled and let is primary key equal to true. Then we need to define the post model start foreign key. Let's be comments ends on plate models. So now define the block id. Blog ID is also necessary on it for linking the blog ID, and based on that ID we will filter our comment. Blank true, let's is null be also, so that it doesn't take a null value. Let's store the name of the user who are going to comment it. Some length 100. Okay, now define the email for it. Let's take the email field. Done. There is also a website, so define it. URL field blank is equal to true, and that is null value must be true. Find the comment, define it on the text field so that it will take text value. There is also date, so models dot date field, take the date based upon their time zone. Whatever the time zone will take about it. So here we need to define our time zone. Let's define it above from Django dot utils import time zone. Done. In the parent it is equal to model start foreign key self null blank, let it be, should not be blank on escape to name, put it replies. Okay, so we have take our text name, date, comment section, and there is also emails. We have also defined it. Okay, done. Now let's define its function. Def save self dot post save dot blog id. Okay, return save dot name. Now we have seen that the model is already created. Now restart the model in admin. So admin dot site dot register comment. Now it has been already registered. Now making the migration. Oh, I see some mistake here. So correcting our mistake here. Okay, so migrate our model. Okay, our model has been migration. Now migrate it on our server. So we have finally deal with the models. Let's deal with the views.py. Define every functions that we needed for the comment sections. Defining def add comment request slow. If request dot method, we are dealing with the form, so we need to write our views like this. Post get box slot name equal to west post dot get, checking our blog detail page, what things is there. We need to copy everything. I will show you. So it's our form, and let's split it like this. Now we need to define everything whatever is there. So we target its form with its name. So put the name whatever is written here on here. Okay, so you just copy it. Here's text, email. So let's define it line by line. Here's input name. So let's define it line by line. So first we need to define the comment sections. So we write a comment is equal to paste dot post dot get. Just copy it, paste it here. Just copy it from here and paste it there. So we are making it in multiple. Just paste it and comment is done. Now there is email. So we write for the email input email. Write what is there. So don't make the mistakes. Otherwise you have to face many error. Now also define let parent ID is also necessary for replying the comment. Get parent ID. Define the condition of based on it. Parent is equal to get object. ID is equal to parent ID. comment dot sex dot create post is equal to name is equal to name, email is equal to email, site equal to site, and also comment text and text. Done. Parent comment. Return redirect. Let's redirect it to the blog detail page. Blog detail, so that if the user is commented in things, then it will again return to the same page. It doesn't terminate to another page or open a new page. It does not show any other page or refreshing the same page. We are redirecting this blog detail blog slug. We are defining these functions because when the user commented anything else, then it will return to the same detail page. Again, redirect to the blog detail. So here is error is showing. So we need to import this library from Django.shortcuts port render. Here we are seeing the error. So we need to define it here, redirect. Okay. Now this error is gone. After that, we also need to define it to the blog details. So let's define it here. Comment is equal to comment objects.filter, so that it will filter according to their blog ID was dot ID. Order by. Now it is done. We need to pass it context here. Comments. Now finally we have done with the views.py. So let's define the part of comment sections. Path. It will filter according to their slug. So let's define slug and add comment j. Use dot add comments name equal to add comment. Oh, here is not s over there comma. Okay. Now everything is done with the views model and URLs. Now let's make the changes on the templates file. So let's select on the detail page. Let's search for the comment sections. Yeah, here is a comment. So here we'll define how many comments were passed. So let's define it here. Comments dot count. Now make the loop of the comment for comment in comment. Okay. Here close, and we don't need these sections, so just remove it. Okay, I've done with that. So here will be the static image. We are taking image. We can define in tabs of image. I'm taking just the template image. Let's close it. Here must be the person name who were commented, comment.name. Okay, now let's define the rest of it. Comment.name. Also define the date here. Okay, now this is the comment sections. So we need to define here comment sections. Not. Finally, we have done with that. So let's move to the form section. Third first, and here we need to define the URL path. This item must be passed in the URL of get comment and must be filtered according to the long small. Okay, after that now everything is done. Let's check it now. First, I need to check the either the model is created or not. Here we are seeing that model is already created. Now let's pass some comment there. Just opening here and writing some comment. Okay. Hello everyone. This is our first comment. Let's take the email broccolimaster@gmail.com. Double dot appointment.com. Okay. Here is the some invalid error is facing. So I think we have not passed our CSRF token. So let's pass it here. Where is the okay, we need to pass CSRF token. File done. I hope this will work. Let's refresh it again. This is our first comment. So we are facing the error. I think the error is came from here. Something is not matching. Let's check what the problem is created there. I think here's some issue. So here is some mistake on the comment text and the parents. So I have corrected that. Now let's check it either it is working or not. Let's see it. Or it's not showing the name and the comment what the user have commented. So let me check again. I think there is some mistake on the blog detail page. So let me check it. Comment in. Oh, here's S. Let's refresh it. Now finally it is done. So this is for today. I hope you have understand everything about the comment sections. So thanks for watching the video. Keep coding and keep watching.